So this approach is a post-order approach, post-order traversal using the iterative approach using one stack. Okay, so we will find the post-order sequence using the iterative approach using the one stack. Okay, so what is the post order of this? So we know post order means go to the left, then right, then visit, then go to the left, then go to the right and visit 3, then come back to the 2, then go to the right, go to the left, then right, then visit, then 2, then 1, then 5, then 1. This is the post order of this. Okay, so now execute this code and let's see what happen. Okay, so we have a root, this is the root, and we are taking the result vector. Okay, if the root is not there, then return the result. So if root is not present, then return empty. And if we have taken the stack st, and st contain the tree type nodes, and we are taking the another pointer current, which is pointing to the root. So this is the current means c, and we are taking the another pointer last visited, and it is null. So this is now null and current is pointing to root. So let's execute. So while current is not there means current is not null, and as stack is not empty, then execute this. If current is present means yes, 1 is there. So it say push the current into the stack and go to the left, then make it current left. Okay, now so if this will execute, this will not execute. Okay, so check current is present, yes, go to the, and if current is present, then come to this condition again and check current is not null, yes, current is not null, then let go to then push this value into the stack and go to the left. Again current is not null, then push this value into this. Okay, now see the current go to the left, so current is now null. Okay, so current is now null. Check stack is empty, no, stack is not empty, then this stack is not empty. If current is not null, then this condition fails, then go to this condition. This say the peak element, now there is a peak element, this is also the peak node, this is also the pointer which is pointing to the top of a stack. So this is the top, so it is pointing to the top of a stack. Okay, which is 3. Now if what say so it say if the peak right means top of this is the peak. If peak right is present and but peak right is not there, so this condition will fail, then go to this, then this say result, we will push the peak value into the result. Peak value means 3 into the result, and last visited become a 3, so last visited become a 3. Okay, and pop this, delete this. Okay, then coming back to this, the current is now null because this. Okay, current is now null, and current is now null, stack is not empty. So go to this and take this, and top of a stack is a peak. Now peak top is this, the peak is 2. Okay, peak is 2. It say if the peak of right is present, yes, this is the peak of right is present, and last visited right is not empty, but last visited is this 3, its right is empty, so this will not execute. Then it say the result, the peak value is stored in a result, and the peak element become then the last visited element become a 2, which is this, and pop up deleted. Okay, now go to this. Current is now null, and stack is not empty because 1 is present, so this condition will not run. So go to this. It's a top of a stack is a peak, so top is a now 1, so this is the peak, and this is the peak. Then what, the peak right is present, yes, last visited right is present, yes, last visited is this now, so its right is present and peak is also present. Okay, peak right is also present, so current is equals to the peak right. Okay, so current is equals to this peak right. Okay, now current is not null, yes, current is not null. Then go to the push the current means 5 into the stack and go to the left. Go to the left means null is there, so current is null, yes, current is null. Stack is empty, no, stack is not empty. then then what, then go to stack is not empty. This condition is not will not run because current is now null. So tree top is peak element is top means 5, this is the peak element. Okay, now what it say, if peak is right is null, so it is not present, so this will not run. Then it's a peak value is stored into the this, so peak value will store into the this. Okay, so we forgotten this, and 5 will go to the right result, and pop it. Okay, last visited become a this 5, this is the last visited, and pop it means deleted, and check current is null, yes, current is null. Stack is empty, no, stack is not empty because 1 is present, so this loop will not, this condition will not run. Then top of a stack is a peak element, so top of a stack is this 1, then 1 is a peak element, and it's a right present, yes, it's a right present, yes, right is present. It's a last visited node is not null, so it is null, so this condition will not run. Then it say the peak of a element, the means 1 is stored in a vector, and last visited become a this, and pop up. Now check, stack is empty, yes, stack is empty, so it will not run. Then return the result, then result will be the 3 4 2 5 1, so this is the post order using the one stack. Sorry sir.